Hey everyone, Dale here with Renewable Innovations. Today's video topic is one I've been itching to talk about because I think this could become a really big deal for homeowners, renters, and just about anyone who wants to save a little money on electricity without spending $20,000 or $30,000 on a traditional solar system. A while back, I made a video talking about the growing popularity of DIY balcony solar systems. In that video, I talked about how Utah became the first state in America to pass meaningful legislation around plug-in solar systems. That was a pretty big moment because it created a pathway for people to install small solar systems themselves without hiring a solar contractor, having plans generated, going through permitting, or submitting for utility interconnection. And that last part is important. With these small plug-in systems, the whole idea is that you're not building a full rooftop solar system. You're not trying to export a bunch of power back to the grid. You're simply offsetting some of the electricity your home is already using during the day. At the time of that video, APsystems, which is a microinverter manufacturer you may or may have not heard of, had announced they were planning on launching one of the first true DIY balcony solar products for the US market. Well, since then, they actually delivered on that. APsystems has officially launched the EZ1 plug-in microinverter. And this is a pretty amazing little device because it allows someone to generate solar power by plugging it directly into a standard 120 volt wall outlet. But before we get into the details, please take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends and family. We really do appreciate the support. And of course, if you're looking for a more traditional solar system, battery backup system, or just want help figuring out what makes sense for your home, reach out to us here at Renewable Innovations by using that link down in the description below. We're here to help you. With that said, let's get into the EZ1. Now, this concept is not exactly new. Germany and other parts of Europe have already been using balcony solar systems for years. And in some areas, they've taken it even further by pairing those small plug-in systems with portable batteries. That's where I think this gets really interesting because for a lot of people, this could become the poor man's solar system. And I really mean that in the best possible way. The APsystems EZ1 microinverter connects up to 2 solar panels and can produce up to 900 watts of continuous output through a standard 120 volt outlet. The price is probably one of the most surprising parts because the APsystems currently list the EZ1 at $325 when purchased directly from their store. Of course, you're still going to need to buy solar panels, and depending on where you install them, you may need to build or buy a simple mounting setup. I don't have an affiliate link for the EZ1 itself, but I did include the APsystems store link down in the description below. I'll also include a few Amazon solar panel options that should work well with this type of setup. And those links do help support the channel if you decide to use them. But APsystems didn't stop with just the microinverter. They also released the APmeter, which is a smart zero export meter designed to work with the EZ1. This is important because the goal here is to not send extra power back to the grid. The goal is to offset your own usage inside the home. The APmeter is important because if you're exporting energy without utility approval, you may receive a fine, and you're probably not going to get any credit for it, so why even give them the free energy? That's why the zero export meter matters. It helps the system understand how much power your home is using so the EZ1 can reduce or eliminate excess export. And APsystems made this thing really simple to install compared to a lot of traditional monitoring equipment. It uses magnetic sensors, which is honestly pretty clever because it avoids a lot of the wiring you'd normally expect from a consumption monitor. Now, I do want to be clear. Even though this is designed to be simple, if you are uncomfortable opening your electrical panel or being around live electrical equipment, call a local electrician. This is not the place to guess your way through it. A good electrician should be able to help you with something like this relatively quickly and probably for the cost of a basic service call. So at this point, you're probably wondering how much energy this thing can actually save you. Well, let's run some numbers. If the EZ1 is producing 900 watts, that's 0.9 kilowatts. If you average about 5.5 hours of sunlight per day, that works out to about 5 kilowatt hours per day of energy. That may not sound like a lot, but over a full year, that's roughly 1,825 kilowatt hours of electricity you didn't have to buy from the utility company. Now, here in California, electricity rates are getting brutal. If we use an average cost of around 42 cents per kilowatt hour, that works out to roughly $770 per year in potential savings. If you're able to install the microinverter yourself, the meter, and the 2 solar panels, this could potentially pay for itself in under 2 years. And over the long term, the savings can really add up. Now, where I think this gets even more exciting is if APsystems or another manufacturer eventually pairs something like this with a small portable battery. Imagine a 5 kilowatt hour battery that charges from these panels during the day and then powers some of your home during peak utility hours. That could be huge, especially in places like California where electricity is cheapest during the day and then jumps way up in the evening once the sun starts going down. Using these same production numbers, if that stored energy helped offset peak pricing closer to, say, 62 cents per kilowatt hour, the annual savings could be over $1,100. Looking at this over 20 years, and that savings starts adding up to more than $23,000 in avoided utility costs before even factoring in future rate increases or inflation. And let's be honest, utility rates going down in any meaningful amount is not something I'm exactly betting my retirement on, and I hope neither are you. This is why I think plug-in solar is such an interesting category. It's not going to replace a full rooftop solar system. It's not going to run your entire house even. It's not even going to charge your EV overnight. But for renters living in condos, apartments, townhomes, or homeowners who can't justify the cost of a traditional solar installation, this could be a very practical way to start saving money. Plus, you can take it with you when you move. That's not something you can do with a traditional solar or battery system. I'd love to see companies like Enphase eventually get into this space too. They have the technology, they have the ecosystem, and with the products that are upcoming, like the IQ Air thermostat, maybe they're slowly moving toward a broader DIY home electrification lineup. Who knows? But right now, APsystems has a real product that you can buy today, set up tomorrow, and get immediate savings. Again, I'm including links down in the description below for the APsystems EZ1 microinverter, the APmeter zero export monitor, and some solar panel options you can purchase on Amazon. Now, if you're looking for a more traditional solar system, battery backup system, or you're just trying to figure out what makes sense for your home, reach out to us here at Renewable Innovations. We have over a decade of experience in home electrification, and we'd be thrilled to have you as a customer. If you're not quite ready for a conversation, not to worry. We actually have a free online estimating tool on our website. You can enter in some basic information about your home's energy usage, adjust your system size, add batteries, and see pricing instantly without needing to hand over a bunch of personal information just to get a ballpark idea. We make it easy for you to see the value of clean renewable energy. Well, that's it for this video. Let us know what you think about APsystems EZ1 by leaving a comment down in the description. Thanks for watching. I'm Dale with Renewable Innovations, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.